What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Dante vlog. It is 8:40 and today is June 9th. So I was supposed to start Camcorder Summer on June 1st, but I just want to see how the first week of summer goes. It was pretty good. I just been focused on working. I've been working a lot, and I started my summer semester in college, so I've been pretty busy, so I couldn't get any of the videos out, but no excuse. I'm gonna start today. So yeah, I'm just sitting in the parking lot of my work. I don't start until 9, so I have like 20 minutes. Camcorder Summer is starting today. Let me drink some water. Oh man, I'm so tired, guys. You don't understand. I'm exhausted. Yesterday I worked. So I worked 2 jobs. That's new. I worked both jobs yesterday. I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep until like 2 in the morning. Oh my gosh. I get off at 3:30 today, and I'm going on a date with my girlfriend. So I brought my backpack so I can get changed at work. So Camcorder Summer, what is it? Camcorder Summer is when we film everything on this camcorder I bought on Amazon, which actually is pretty good quality. Audio, not sure, but it gives that nostalgic vibe that I'm going for. I put all my camera gear away. If you guys didn't know, I'm gonna do. Actually, I think I filmed some clips of me putting my camera away. So here's that. So yeah, I put all my camera gear away. I'm not sure if I should put my mic or not, but for now I'm just gonna keep the mic out just in case. And yeah, I'm just here to catch the raw footage of memories so I can have memories and stuff on the camcorder. The only time I will pull out my Canon is when I start working on my projects for my films. I have 3 films that I want to work on, and you guys, if you guys don't follow my Instagram, actually, if you guys don't follow my film Instagram, go follow, link in the description below, and it's gonna be tagged right here somewhere. Follow that, please, so you guys can support what film I should start creating. I have the drafts for everything. I have a certain look I got for everything. Costumes I kind of have. Stories I do have. So yeah, if you guys want to be part of that journey of watching the behind the scenes, like, subscribe onto this channel, and follow my Instagram at official Dantemon Vlogs and Dantemon Films on Instagram. I'll put, like I said, I'll put them on the camera. I'll put them somewhere right here, and then I'll put them in the description. Go follow my Instagrams. One's my official Instagram and the other one is for my films. So that's enough from me. I'll see you guys right after work. Alright guys, I'm heading to get my girlfriend. We've been dating for a year now, and I'm still a little nervous, like, going on a date for her. I wonder how she's gonna react when I say that. I'm gonna ask her, like, I'm gonna tell her, and see if I can get it on camera. I need a cactus cooler. Ooh, I did my hair, you know, looking sexy as hell. Nice day outside. We're going to Boomers, so yeah, there's that. Yo, lighting is so bad, I can't really see. Alright, what's up guys? So I'm on my date. You guys haven't really met her. She's been in 2 videos. Over here acting like a child. This is my girlfriend, guys. Hey, come here.
What?
This is Ali. mystery girl.
The mystery girl?
So yeah, she won a ball. We're at Boomers and she won a ball. Now we're putting it back in my car because I don't want to carry that thing for the rest of the night. This is what a ball can do, guys. Always make your. It was an arcade game. I was like, what the hell?
And you said it couldn't be one.
Whatever.
Then again.
It's okay. He's going back this way. Alright, guys. So keep you guys updated. It's hot as hell out here.
Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine. Sunshine, baby, you're my sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine, sunshine. Baby, you're my sunshine. Sunshine, baby, you're my sunshine.
Go for it.
1 week of high school golf course coaching.
Where'd it go? Can we zoom this in?
Yeah.
How? Oh shit. Where'd it
Alright, guys. So we are finished with mini golf. We didn't keep track of who's winning and who's losing. When we do the next lane, we'll do it. The next game, we'll do that. And we're gonna race each other in go-karts. Because she thinks she's too good. I got a story to tell you guys later.
No. No.